Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SurferSEO for affiliate content briefs, full guide step by step clearly. To enable SurferSEO for your affiliate content briefs, begin by ensuring you have an active SurferSEO. Log into your SurferSEO dashboard. Navigate to the Contents section of the dashboard. Click on New Content Brief. Enter the primary keyword for your affiliate topic in the provided field. Select the relevant location and language for your audience. Once you input the keyword, click on Create Content Brief. SurferSEO will generate a preliminary content outline based on top-performing articles for your keyword. Review the suggested structure and make adjustments as needed to fit your brand voice. Incorporate specific affiliate offers or products into the outline. Utilize the data provided by SurferSEO, such as keyword suggestions and relevant questions. Focus on high-volume keywords that align with your affiliate products to increase visibility. After finalizing the content brief, proceed to write or refine the content. Use the integrated SurferSEO scoring system to optimize your text as you draft. Monitor important metrics like content score and keyword density throughout your writing process. Once your content is complete, ensure it meets all optimization criteria outlined in the brief. Finally, publish your content on your desired platform, ensuring all affiliate links are properly integrated. Regularly update your content based on new insights from SurferSEO to maintain relevance. This approach will enhance your chances of ranking higher in search results while effectively promoting your affiliate products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.